Along with your roots, your publicity ecosystem is going to need some shoots. Shoots pop out of the ground. They're fresh and new, and they get attention. Publicity shoots are events, special programming, or thematic opportunities. Every activated shoot goes through the same flow in the Public Image Works method. Gathering creative resources like message, visuals, or video. Deciding which audiences you need to reach. Announcement or save the date. Repeated push-outs. Those are the details, like date, time, and place. Repeated sneak peeks. That's the cool stuff behind the scenes, the extras. Advertising, paid or otherwise. And remember to celebrate after the fact. You'll use different publicity channels for all of that, depending on your goals and who you're trying to reach. Use the publicity planning tools to make it all easier. I'm Ennis Carter, the Director of Social Impact Studios and the designer of the Public Image Works method. Public Image Works method helps good people promote their great work.